Welcome to Forex Travels. Today we'll be analyzing US30 and NAS100. So I know guys have been days or weeks we haven't posting anything on our YouTube channel. It's due to YouTube. I don't know, they said we violated some rules, so hence we could not upload anything. So sorry about that, but now we are back guys. Hopefully we'll just give you good signals, eh? So yeah, we start wasting any time. Let's get into US30. Um, okay, so you're on the daily time frame. Yeah, as you can see on the daily time frame on US30, and you can see that the market is right over here. And we already know, past on the previous analysis that we did a month ago, uh, where we had this level, this kind of event occurring over here, showing us that we are pushing to the upper side starting from this level over here. And then, but also we can see over here, we are seeing some levels over here, but we don't know where we are going to stop. So I'm going to just delete this for now. And I'm just going to try to show you guys all the levels that we need on the market so we could trade this successfully. Okay, we're going to look from the upper side over here. You can see that this level has been respected over here. So I'm just looking for the obvious levels, guys. So also right over here as well on the upper side. And okay, could we say this level though? Yeah, this level as well. We'll just zoom in later on to see if the level is correct. And also this level right over here. So currently I'm focusing on the area right now. So I'm going to zoom in over here. Okay, over here, we just do this first. So I want to see if all my levels are correct. So this one is correct. This one as well has been respected, and this one as well. So we can see that you marked out all the levels that we really need on the market. I know guys there are some levels like over here, somewhere like over here, but there's no need for us to mark them out because the market is already past that level. So okay, so we'll just over here we'll just use a bit of a square. So the square over here. Okay, so currently this is what we have on the daily time frame. So this is what I'm seeing, and we already know that we are looking for buyers by the looks of that thing. But you can see we did break out of this level, and the market has been pushing with the buy momentum all the time. So we could see if we start a trend line right over here, we could see this kind of setup. Maybe I could say this setup over here on this. If you're using the body of the candlesticks, or we can just use the weeks, guys. Let's just use the weeks. Let's just put it like this. Okay. And let us cater for the upper side as well. Right over here. Starting from here, actually up until here. So basically we can see on the daily time frame that the market is playing around this area right over here. We had a touch over here, over here, over here, over here, and we had a third touch right over there. This is how we know the market moves on a daily basis. So all we have to do is look for the potential spots in which we can execute our orders. So currently we are above this level here. So we have to confirm if this level is those levels that tell us that the market is changing direction or what. So I'll just use a green line and I'll just zoom there again and see what occurred here when the market touches or breaks this level over here. Okay, so we're gonna look at the past now. Okay. So you can see the market touch this area over here, goes down, or it either breaks out of this area and touch this level over here and then push back to the lower side as well. again. Over here as well, same thing over here. So currently we know that it's possible that the market break out of this level is gonna try to push a little bit up over there before it pushes to lower side. So on this one, we are basically looking for sellers, looking at the daily time frame only, because this is what I'm seeing on the daily time frame. Let us move to the 4-hour time frame to see what's really going on over here, to see if we can spot any potential setup, which will tell us that we are moving in a great direction. But bear in mind, guys, this is a very tricky one because this is taking a trade against the market. So currently, okay, we're here. We don't know what's really going to happen. This could be a level in which the market decided to create over here. This could be a level where the market decided to create over here, bounce over here before it pushes to the upper side and breaks this level over here. So the only way we could be certain that this is a sell is below this green line over here, in which you're gonna go for the sellers. But if you're going for the sellers, just know that your first take profit should be it should be right over here and the overall over here. But this one is not likely to hit this one over here. But other than that, if this happens, and then we'll be certain for sure that the buy movement is 100% sure, because on the daily time frame, the market is pushing to the upper side. So this one is a kind of a risky trade, um, but it's totally worth it as well. So on your US30, I'll be saying that we are looking for uh, the the sellers, mostly the sellers. But if we see the market failing to reach this level over here, that's just know that, guys, we're looking for the buyers. Because if you look over here, we have this one over here. All right, we have this over here. Let me just use this one line. We have that over there, and if you were to cater for the upper side, starting from here over there. So this is the current situation that we have, but we really don't know the outcome of it. So we are basically hoping for the best. But this is all I'm seeing for now, guys. You can see that, guys, that the market can hit this area here. This is what I was explaining. That if the market doesn't break this line over here, it's not a sell, guys. Because if you look at this area here, first touch, second touch, third touch, this could make a fourth touch right over here and push to the upper side, guys. Just pay attention to what I'm saying, guys. Pay attention to these things. If the market fails to break this area here, we are not going for the sellers, because those will be a third tangential line and will result into a push to the upper side, breaking everything over here. So yeah, that is all for US30. Let us move to. All right, we are on NAS100 on the daily time frame. So I'm not gonna waste time on this one. So currently you can see that the market is pushing to the upper side on NAS100. So most of the time when I start to analyze, I start by laying out the levels first. But on this one, I was trying to let through the trend line. This trend line doesn't work for me. Hence, I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna try to start another trend line right over here. And this one is currently working out for me. So you have this trend line over here. Let us get for the highest high, the upper side. Okay, we have this one over here, second touch. Oops. Okay, currently, guys, we are on the third touch on the upper side trend line, and currently you can see the market falling. So currently on NAS100, without doing anything on the daily time frame, we can see that the market is pushing to the upper side, but currently now it's starting to push to lower side. So I'm gonna try and check the levels that I'm seeing on the market. What's this level over here? Oh, I hate this color. Let me just use blue. Okay, let me use this thing. Okay, so currently I can see, sorry about that, this level over here. Now I'm just laying out the levels that are well respected on NAS100 that I can see they have potential to be marked. Okay, this one over here. You can see this one over here as well. I'll just mark it first. Yeah. So currently you can see that the market is pushing to the upper side on a daily time frame. But okay, let's pay attention, guys. Let's pay attention to this. Um, okay, first, second, okay, only two touches over here. We are anticipating a third surge, but we are not sure if we're gonna get the third surge, first, second, third surge over there on the upper side. So I think we should just move. We should just move to the 4 hour time frame to see what's really going on because I don't have much to work with over there. Okay, so I'm just gonna zoom out a bit so it's just gonna be clearer and clearer. Okay, okay, cool. So this is what we have. Okay, currently I can see the market is over here, and there's a possibility that the market could tie this area over here and pull back to the upper side because this level is been respected from the previous points. So possible movements are like this. Because currently you can see we are in an upper trend, so I don't think we'll just change a direction all of a sudden. So again, what I'm seeing here, I can see this level over here. Is it over here? Or this level over here? Yeah. Just use that other one. Let me just use, sorry, the dash lines so you guys don't get confused at all. So currently I can see, okay, we could say this is a possible outcome, another outcome that could happen, or we can just draw a line over here. So you can see that, guys, let me just remove this. Our selling points, the market selling on NAS100 is quite tricky because there's a possible it's possible for it to just change direction all of a sudden due to this level over here. Because first, second, this tide has been broken, but we're not sure about it. So, and this one over here. So to be on the safer side, if you had to take this trade, that's what I'm gonna let us wait and see if the market touches this area here. If it does touch this area, keep on pushing up until this area here. That's when you can say you are going for the buyers. Because I wouldn't advise you guys to take the sellers for now because you're already late. Because here, this is where we are supposed to take the sellers. And I did see the signal, guys, but unfortunately, YouTube, whatever, we couldn't post anything. So, but unfortunately, I'm sorry, guys, for that because this happened on the 19th of July, but it couldn't post anything. But okay. So currently, this is what we have on the market. Okay. So we did break out of that level over there. It's possible that we could push up until over here. It's possible. If you want to enter here and put your stop loss right over there, we'll just show you how to do it. Enter over here, and then okay, sorry, over here and put it over here like this type of a trade. If you want to take a risk, it's fine, you can. Because if we move to the 15 minutes time frame, you'll see that there's a lot of peeps, to be honest, especially on a pair like NAS100. But the question is, are you willing to take the risk? Because the risk is something else. So on this one, guys, I'll advise you to wait up until you go for the buyers. But if you want to enter now, it's possible that you enter here and just after when you're in profit, just lock your profit and wait for the best or hope for the best because the market tends to move the city a certain way. So, but I don't think we're gonna reach this level over here. I really don't. But if we do break out this on this level with a strong momentum or something happens during the week, we'll just update you guys if this level will hold or not. But yeah, that'll be all from us. FX Travels signing out.